Hi there. So I'm going to give you a little bit of an update on what's been happening with the box moth caterpillars. It's a little bit grim, I'm afraid. They've pretty much decimated the hedges, but I'm going to give you a chance to catch up on what I've been doing to try and treat them and try and get ahead of this horrible pest. So a little update on the box hedging. It's still quite badly eaten. You can see along there. There are a few green shoots starting to appear, but unfortunately the caterpillars are still really active. I've tried everything. I've tried spraying. Oh look, there's one there. Oh, it's just dropped down. Here he is. Yeah, this is after being sprayed about 4 times with a commercially available, yeah, look, box caterpillar. Yes, vegans better look away now. So, yeah. So what I have got is I've got these pheromone traps. I've had a pheromone in, there's one there and there's one over here. I've had them out for about 3 weeks now, but unfortunately that was a little bit early because the caterpillars haven't quite emerged from their pupa yet. They are starting to pupate. So this has a little pheromone. You can see a little pheromone lure in here. So I'm just going to update those with new lures, and then hopefully they will catch the adult males before they get a chance to mate and do the next round of egg laying, or the females do the next round of egg laying on the hedge. The idea is you try and break that cycle. If you can get rid of all the egg laying, then your hedges are relatively safe. There are up to 3 cycles of caterpillars a year, and unfortunately I just don't think I don't think my hedge is going to manage 3 attacks of this. This one was the one I sprayed with the nematodes. It's come off an awful lot worse. It's a little bit green at this end, but the caterpillars really have, you know, chomped their way through that. So still finding caterpillars on it, doing what I can, but let's see if I can improve things just a little bit more for the hedge. Also on the gardening list today, you can see this is the good side of the box hedge. It looks lovely. You wait until the caterpillars get to that side. I've got a lot of edging to do. Where I've been away on holiday, all the weeds have grown in the borders. They'll need quite a bit of cutting back and trimming, so let's see what I can do. It's looking a little bit better. I need to sort of re-level the turf there. I've done rough edging around most of the garden. Just to get me started really before I start going deep weeding into the borders. Oh. Hello, Monty. What are you saying? Are you saying something, Monty? Oh, hello, Luna. Not best friends, but they do get on. Yeah, just sort of putting a bit of an edge in, quite a bit of weeding to do by the pond. Yeah. And edging along this border here, which is mainly roses in this border, but interspersed with annuals, which I just let seed themselves. But yeah, looks pretty good. So welcome to my conservatory. So my lovely bird of paradise plant is just finishing flowering. Now today, first job on the list is to try and reconfigure my Wi-Fi camera so I can watch the cats in the cat shed. I'll explain that to you a little bit later, but let's see if I can reconfigure it. So I've got a Rio cam here. Unfortunately, a 50-something trying to use modern technology, I've managed to lose the password, so I've got to reset it all. So wish me luck following the reset instructions. Hi there. Well, I've got this morning off, so I thought, well, why don't I get on with one of those jobs I've been putting off for a couple of months? So we've all got garages. We all know we tend to put far too much junk in the garage. This is a garage that I'm trying to sort of put in work units around. I'll show you in a minute. Put in work units around to try to tidy up, get some organisation in the storage. But it's fair to say I'm a pretty messy person. So here we go, and let's see how I can tidy it. There you go. So there's the lovely messy garage. I've put in these worktops along here. I've added this shelf here, a couple of storage boxes underneath. This is a big muddle. Most of it is cat related stuff. Cat food for the feral colony I look after, or cat or stuff for the rescue cats, which I help with. We have a couple of cupboards up on the wall. Yeah, I'm trying to get it into a good workshop, work shelf area, as well as having storage, for all the cat things and everything I need to get out on a regular basis. The rest of the garage is taken up with my husband's gym equipment, and I do get moaned at when my DIY stuff starts to invade his space a little bit. So yeah, leave his gym stuff alone, but I'm going to focus on trying getting all of this a little bit tidier so I can find things when I need them.